Let's be real. Banks are allergic to chaos. What they want is structure. They want your business to look like it's been here for decades. Even if you just filled the paperwork yesterday. You have to treat structure like fashion. You don't walk into the bank wearing pajamas. You show up with a tailored suit. We work your entity with a good look, tailored on paper. This means you gotta have a clean LLCs to do business with the mama of the C corporation on top, sharing the same EIN. A real business address, not your cousin's address or your grandmother or your mother's address. A business phone number and an email, these are data points. An EIN and a DUNS number wouldn't hurt. A bank account in the business names and a couple of vendor merchant accounts wouldn't hurt either. This is the business that is equivalent of brushing your teeth, combing your hair, whatever little I got left, and putting on cologne before a date, or perfume, which is better, because banks are picky and they don't like rookies. Banks are picky and they don't like rookies. They're gonna give you $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000. They should be a little picky. You just need to learn how to speak Latin. Now, structure in a corporation is not sexy, but structure is the sauce, like the young people say, the sauce. Once it's in place, everything else starts clicking like Legos. Here's the part that nobody tells you. Banks don't fund ideas, they fund readiness. They don't fund CEO on Instagram, they fund actual structure. You could have the next billion-dollar concept, but if your entity or your corporation looks like half built, they'll give you half a smile and a polite rejection. Being bank ready is like being photo ready for a magazine cover. Lighting perfect, salt crisp, smile and polished. At PRB Capital, we build your business profile so clean that the bank underwriters are gonna have to blame another corporation because you'll be so clean. Because underwriters are detectives. They stalk your business online like it's an X. They want to see if your story makes sense. And if everything aligns, your business credit and your structure plus your online presence, they stop thinking that you're a risk. So they'll get you the funds at 0% interest.